In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a realistic billboard mockup in Photoshop. Whether you're a designer looking to enhance your portfolio or someone who simply wants to visualize a digital design in a real-world setting, the skills you'll learn today are invaluable. Let's dive in. First, open Adobe Photoshop on your computer. If you haven't already installed it, you can download it from Adobe's website. Once you have Photoshop open, the first step is to add the image that will serve as the background for your mockup. This could be a photo of an actual billboard or any blank slate where you'd like to display your design. Use the File menu and select Open to import your chosen image. Now, we're going to select the area where the design will be placed. You'll want to use the rectangular marquee tool for this task. It can be found in the toolbar on the left side of your screen. Click and drag the tool to draw a selection around the object or the area on the billboard where you want to place your new design. Once you have a selection, let's fill it with a solid color to create a base for your design. Go to Layer in the menu, select New Fill Layer, and choose Solid Color. You might want to select white to keep it neutral and clear. This acts as a placeholder and ensures that your design stands out. Next, prepare to adjust the selected area by holding down the Control key on your keyboard. This allows you to move and resize your selection to precisely fit the area intended for your billboard design. Make sure you're satisfied with the positioning before moving on. Now it's time to add your design, the one that you wish to display on the billboard. To do this, open your design file in Photoshop, copy the content, then navigate back to your billboard project and paste it as a new layer. This new layer is where the digital magic happens, layering your artwork over the initial selection. With your design layer in place, right-click on this layer in the Layers panel. From the options that appear, click on Create Clipping Mask. What this does is clip your design to the selection area, seamlessly integrating it with the background image. Adjustments may be necessary to ensure that everything aligns perfectly. You can use the free transform tool, Ctrl+T, to resize or move your design until it looks just right within the selected billboard space. Finally, once you're thrilled with how everything looks, you'll want to save your work. Go to File and then Save As to choose your preferred format. JPEG or PNG usually work best for sharing or uploading online, while PSD is ideal if you need to edit later. And there you have it, a stunning and realistic billboard mockup in just a few simple steps. Practice these techniques, and you'll be able to create compelling mockups in no time. Thanks for watching and happy designing.